another history. It's a milestone in the history of doing this project. There are the people that appropriate. There are the people that give the money. And there are the people that will come out for oversight functions to see what is done on ground. So gentlemen, once again, welcome. Let me just highlight, this gentleman, Mr. Chairman, we are here on this site. The site that we are here is a site of Danger Asda. With the component of the contract, it has two components. One, the AS road, access road. From the 0 kilometer to the site is about 13 kilometers. At the same time, the second component is the dam, access dam, on the dam at Embarrass. So gentlemen, at the same time, the history of this contract is a very, very historical moment, which everybody will urge and be partner on progress, be partisan on this participation of this activity, because it's something that will boost the socio-economic aspect of life, as well as the political aspect in general. So once again, it's a tradition whenever we come, we introduce, based on the power vested in me, the privilege given to me to serve as supervisor officer is to introduce. And the structure that we're doing, we have the presence of consultants with their duty to ensure the quality process, to supervise the necessary process. The company, the client are there on ground. We are the client, we are there on ground. We have the engineers on ground. We have the resident engineer and the chief engineer. At the same time, there's a contractors team there are very much on ground. So without much of our time, a little bit history of this contract is dated back to 2017-2018. In view of this, it was given with a particular date, approved date to be spent not more than 24 months. I think that's the history of the contract. But due to there is a natural challenges, which is as usual. The terrain, how to access the site, that's the first challenge that the contract got. I inherited the office, that's what's here in document, and I can personally, I understand the situation that's on ground, which leads to have a temporary road that they used to access the site of the contract. But the initial contract, that's the original design of the road that to be there. Currently, after correspondence, we reach a state where, alhamdulillah, the road now is on progress. On progress in the sense that you can use the road and you access to the dam site. The second component of the project is about the AS dam, the main bone, that's the dam itself, that will component about the full aspect of the dam. And most of the challenges of this contract, the contract, it's a contract of our 7.8 billion naira from the initial stage. At the same time, there's another second aspect. That second aspect is at the level of, we can consider as corruption. And corruption in the sense that it's the confidence of the state government that give the initiative of 40%, which went to about 2.8 billion naira for the take of the project mobilization and all that time. And there is one thing, the state government didn't own a land in this site. They didn't own a land. All the land belonged to the people. So even the road that you are using here is something that you have to pay compensation. So that's what drove the highest amount of the contract. And the process during the contract, the environment itself, the natural phenomenon that I'm explaining,